Hey all. Hope you're feeling well. Today, we're going to talk about motivation. That seems to be a popular issue these days, especially with low attention spans and social media blasting us with useless nonsense. Now, I know a lot of you out there are struggling with motivation, and that's okay. It's perfectly normal to have days when you just don't feel like doing anything. But the key is to push through that and keep grinding, because that's how you achieve greatness. So today, I want to share some motivational quotes from some of the greatest minds in history, to help you get fired up and ready to crush it. First up, we have a quote from one of my personal heroes, Steve Jobs. He said, "Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. So if you're not doing what you love, it's time to make a change. Life is too short to waste your time doing something you're not passionate about." Next up, we have a quote from the great Muhammad Ali. He said, "I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion." That's the kind of mindset you need to have if you want to be successful. You have to be willing to put in the work, even when it's not fun or glamorous. But if you stick with it, you'll come out on top. Here's a quote from the legendary Kobe Bryant. He said, "I have self-doubt, I have insecurity, I have fear of failure, but I also have faith, and I work hard." That's the key, folks. You're never going to completely eliminate self-doubt or fear of failure. But if you have faith in yourself and you work hard, you can overcome those obstacles and achieve your goals. Now, let's hear from the great Nelson Mandela. He said, "I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear." That's a powerful message, and one that we can all learn from. Fear is a natural human emotion, but it doesn't have to hold you back. If you have the courage to face your fears head on, you can accomplish anything. Last but not least, we have a quote from the one and only Oprah Winfrey. She said, "The biggest adventure you can ever take is to live the life of your dreams." And that's what it's all about, folks. You only get one shot at this life, so why not make it the best it can be? Take risks, follow your passions, and never settle for less than you deserve. So there you have it, folks. Some powerful words from some of the greatest minds in history. Use these quotes as inspiration when you're feeling down or unmotivated, and keep pushing forward. Remember, the road to success is never easy, but if you stay focused and work hard, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, hustle hard and stay motivated.